Just one of the Bitcoin ETFs, IBIT, saw 1 billion in volume a few days ago, just within 20 minutes of the market opening. Do you understand how insane that is? That's a normal daily volume, and it's been kind of a hot market picking up steam. The other Bitcoin ETFs are in the same boat. We're talking record-breaking volume across the board. Looking at the price points though, I honestly still think that Bitcoin ETFs and another cryptocurrency ETF that I'll explain are undervalued and poised to absolutely explode. Hey, I'm Vosk. What's up? You're on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. I'm always trying to learn more to earn more, deploy my capital. I mine Bitcoin, I buy Bitcoin, I hold Bitcoin, I got Bitcoin ETFs and all other cryptocurrencies. As a disclosure, I obviously have Bitcoin ETFs among other crypto ETFs because I think they're an obvious play right now. And honestly, at this stage of the cycle, I think that ETFs are poised for better percentage returns than Bitcoin is. Kind of weird, kind of ironic. Any new USD I am injecting into my investments, I'm putting my money where my mouth is on that subject. It's not something I'm going to roll my Bitcoin into, but like many people, I was sitting on some USD. And now that the entire fundamentals have absolutely changed, this opens up an absolute just well, deep well, big well, maybe that's too small, ocean of opportunity. Yeah. Look at the charts though. These are doing well and they're only picking up speed and momentum. It's pretty obvious I'm a Bitcoin fan. Some people think that I'm a crypto boomer because I still like Ethereum. And I have huge gripes with Ethereum. I've talked about them before. I won't go into that today. Simply put, I see Ethereum as a money-making opportunity, a wealth generator for me in this crypto cycle. Specifically, ETH and ETH ETFs are really interesting. Ethereum ETFs are pretty new. They really don't have many gains. The key ETH ETFs have actually basically gone nowhere since their inception. Or I should say it hasn't gone up. They've gone down and come back up. So while there have been, in retrospect, much riskier but better buying opportunities, if you were an early adopter, expanding your position is really no different. And that's a similar position to where I'm at. So I've expanded my ETH ETF holdings alongside my BTC ETF holdings. I know there's a whole fundamental aspect to why you should be buying the coins instead of the ETFs and stuff like that. I get it, I'm a crypto guy, but I still think this is interesting, especially because this is the first cycle that we've had Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. And the market's hot. Retirement portfolios are big. They're growing right now. Changing the president does not erase all of the inflation that has transpired over the last, really decades, but especially the last several years. So being asset heavy and cash poor is where I'm proud to be. And beyond those ETFs, I've expanded my positions in markets, right? Things like Robinhood, SoFi, and very happy, very proud owner of Coinbase stock. We've been sludging through a bear market for years. It is a bull market now. Will it be a parabolic bull run like 2021? Especially for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency? I hope so over the next year. I think so over the next year. While the current regime is still in, I gotta let you know it's not financial advice. This is about me and what I'm doing. You do whatever the hell you want to do. Furthermore, I'm not here to influence you. The only thing I want to do is create content. And I guess if I was to influence you to do anything, it would be to subscribe to the VoskCoin YouTube channel and check out all of our content because we're publishing new videos normally daily here. And I'll be honest, it's a lot of work, but I love this stuff. I believe in this stuff. I've been working tirelessly through the bear market for nearly a decade on this project. And I don't plan on letting up. Maybe, hopefully, maybe I'll retire after this bull run. We'll see. But I'll let you know I'm playing to win. And to bring it back, speaking of Coinbase, right? A great bull run indicator is the Coinbase app. and it is surging by the hundreds in its app ranking. And this is a key bull run indicator. I'm not kidding, I'm serious, right? Like, whether you love them or hate them, they are massive, they are huge, they are the biggest cryptocurrency app, cryptocurrency exchange, especially after all the fallout with Binance and even FTX and others beyond that. So if they are hitting at number one in the App Store, we are about to see insane explosive growth, or it is an absolute top signal, and I'm thinking I need to take some profits. For the first time ever, the United States of America has a president that not only knows about crypto, Bitcoin, they support it. They want the US to be the world leader. That is the exact opposite of the treatment that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency has been getting over the last several years. Donald Trump in 2016 to 2020, he was not a Bitcoin fan. He was not a crypto fan. He actively opposed it. He talked crap about it. Didn't do anything to help it, right? Then came Joe Biden and Kamala Harris that launched literally an absolute war on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, pivoting in their final hours, realizing that this was actually becoming a big and important thing to many people, pivoting to supporting it. The irony. You think I'm a goldfish, bro? Like, I just forgot? But now, beyond just the president saying that he wants the US of A to be Bitcoin first and innovation to happen here, alongside Elon Musk, one of the biggest, infamous cryptocurrency promoters, endorsers in the world, right?
Then there is also our FK Jr. in the mix.
Bitcoin proponent. But beyond these guys, there's also the rest of the government, you know, like Senate, remember, like Congress, the House. I ain't talking about your house, I'm talking about the House and the government. Not the White House, the other one that has an impact on the laws. They're pro-crypto now. We got the data. It's overwhelmingly pro-crypto. This is crazy. People don't understand the magnitude of this. These aspects aligning like this could bring on an insane cryptocurrency bull run that would not have been possible without all of these stars aligning, especially unique investing opportunities finally available to US citizens. Maybe we'll finally be able to use all of the exchanges throughout the world. Maybe we'll finally not have to use a VPN to claim our cryptocurrency airdrop and many more things. What we're gonna see, we could see cryptos launched here, token sales here, right? Where you'll be way more likely to get legal support if things go wrong, instead of this being in some faraway country that is proven to not protect anything. Furthermore, all of the things that the government was previously saying they were protecting you against showed that they never were, which was evident with all the negative exposure cryptocurrency investors, including myself, felt with all of the crypto bankruptcies that happened in the previous bear market. Here's what's really interesting though. Retail interest is still low. Prices are honestly crazy if you got in deep in the bear market over the last couple of years. Many people would be up 2, 3, 4, 10x on many different major cryptocurrencies, right? You call them blue chips or whatever. Daniel Chung over here saying that Trump being in office is basically a 4-year call option, right? That's bullish, right? That's long in it, right? On crypto markets. And he goes on to elaborate that the markets are not pricing in the Republican sweep and the upside that this will bring for the industry, much like the positive cryptocurrency representation and advocacy that is now in the US government that has literally never been there before. What do you think though? I am so excited. This opens up so much opportunity over the next year, as long as we don't have some crazy black swan event. I'm in, I'm locked and loaded. Yeah, let's go. And I don't just mean the Buc-ee's, okay? Which is a pretty crazy place if you've ever been there. If you haven't, stop into the next one you see. It's fun. And good food. And honestly, decent prices. But yeah, I'm Vosk here on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. This is Tails. We run 10 seconds of Tails on every video because she's our super Shiba pup. And just like this biplane that's flying above me, I think we're taking off. Let's go. See you later.
Hey, you want to buy a mining rig? Do you want a pretty good price on it and pretty fast shipping? Then you may be looking for ASIC Marketplace. Click our link in the video description below to not only support our channel, but support yourself with the coupon code we've got right next to it.
When you let me, baby.